So welcome back here. This is Pancake Crypto Night. Guys, what I just want to inform you about this platform is that they are still paying up to now. They are still paying every single day. They are still paying. You can see the amount I've withdrawn on it so far since all these days. Let me show you my transaction withdrawal record here. Let me show it to you. You can see you can see the last time I withdraw on this platform is yesterday. You can see yesterday. Today I am going to make another withdrawal. That is why I'm making this video to show maybe this platform is still going to pay. It's still going to pay. So this is I've shared about this platform since September, and right now we are on October 14th of October. Yes, today is 14th. This is yesterday. And this platform is still paying. This is about 29 days old right now. 29 days old, and it paying every day. This is all what you need to do on this platform. Just click on homepage. You are going to see everything about their plans here. This is it, or you can check it here on VIP. Check on VIP. You are going to see their plan here on VIP, how their investments work, everything. You're going to see it here on the VIP session. So you can see it here. I'm currently in the VIP one. That is what I subscribed for. And on that VIP one, all you need to deposit there and start making $1.50 every day is just $8. $8 is just what you need to deposit there. When you deposit $8 there, for instance, let's say you have already be in level 1 and you want to do level 2, you can see level 2 here is $38, but since you are already in VIP 1, you don't need to deposit that whole $38. All you need to do is to just deposit $30 and you can be in VIP 2. In this VIP 3, if you are in VIP 1 already, you want to go for VIP 3, just deposit 18, just deposit $110, because your $8 of VIP 1 will cover you up. But if you are in VIP, if you are already doing VIP 2 and want to do VIP 3, you just have to minus $38 from $118, and that is what you are going to deposit. Your VIP 1 will be giving you 1.50, which is you deposit $8 and you'll be getting $1.50 every day. VIP 2 will be giving you $7. But if, for instance, let's say you have not done VIP 1 before and you want to go straight to VIP 2, then you need to deposit the actual amount, which is $38. That is the amount you need to deposit. If you have not done this one before, or this one you want to do VIP 3, then you need to deposit the actual amount, which is $118. And VIP 2 will be giving you $7 every day. VIP 3 will be giving you $23 every day. Like that, you can see VIP 4 can give you $75 every day, while VIP 5 can give you $237 every day with this one. So that is how this platform work, and up till yesterday is still paying. So let me show it to you. I think I've performed my task for today. Let me see. This is it here. Click on it. Yes, I have done the task this morning, but I just want to make a video for you. All you need to do is to just click on the VIP you go for, then just click on any of these things here. That is just all. Just click on submit. You have performed your daily task on this platform. That is just how to perform it. Now let's make a withdrawal and let's see if I'm going to receive this money or not. Right now I'm going to click on withdrawal here, and I want to withdraw $1.58 right now. Let's see if I'm going to receive the money or not. But before I make this withdrawal, let me first show you my wallet, and let's see the last transaction I made to the wallet there. So this is the last uh income that comes to this wallet today. $3 and $4.9. You can see it. I will show you the platform where I got it from. I will show you the platform where I got this tool from today. I've already made a video about the platform on this page, this channel already. I make one yesterday also. So let me go and show it to you and let me make my withdrawal. So like I said, this is one of the platform. I make one from here. You can see the withdrawal here. You can see it. This is the withdrawal for that one. Let me show you the second platform. If you want to join this platform, exactly they are exactly like this one that I'm making right now. You can just do the quantify and click on quantify and you can make your money. So let me show you the second platform. You will see both all these platform description in the description of this video. You see their link there if you want to join them. So let me go and show it to you. So this is the second platform and let me show you my withdrawal. Yeah, let me show you my withdrawals here. You can see it here. Look at this very well. This is it. $4.9. You can see here $4.90. You can see it here. So those are the two platforms. These are the two platforms where I make that money. The minimum for this one is $12, which you can start with, and you will be earning $2 every day. While the second one, the minimum you can start with is $9, and you will be making $1.62 every day. Now let's go back to our main video. So here we are here. Now let's start. Let's make this withdrawal. I want to make $1.52 withdrawal. $1.58 I mean. Now input your withdrawal password here, payment password, then click on submit. So click on submit. You can see application for withdrawal successful. You can see, let's go to our withdrawal history and check it out here. So you can see this is it here, $1.58. Let me give it the screenshot of it. I've made a screenshot of it already. I will share that in my uh, WhatsApp. So let's go to our Trust Wallet and check it out. So here it is on our Trust Wallet. You can see it. It has come to my Trust Wallet now. So that is it. You can see it. That is it. You can see it. Check it out. $1.58. So the platform is still pay even up to 29 days. Is still pay. I don't if you believe it. I think this is a long-lasting platform. If you are interested, just join it. Deposit. Make your recharge. Click on recharge. Then copy this or recharge method here and deposit. The minimum you can deposit is $8, and $8 will be giving you $1.52 every day. $1.52 every day. So I think guys, maybe you can still risk it. This platform has been paying me since all these days with just my $8. You can see $8. I've make a total of 50.41 dollars as a profit with just $8. So guys, that is it. That is just what I have for you right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye for now. If you are interested, check the description of this video. You see the link to join the platform there. Thank you.